At the EICMA 2024 motorcycle show, Aprilia brought an impressive lineup that showcased their continued focus on innovation, performance, and adapting to the diverse needs of riders. Each model introduced offered something unique, from urban street fighters to adventure-ready machines, marking Aprilia's commitment to expanding their reach across riding styles. The Aprilia Tuono 457 turned heads as a new street fighter built for riders craving agility and power in a compact package. The Tuono 457 shares its 457 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled parallel twin engine with the popular RS 457, offering a spirited 46.9 brake horsepower and a torque of 43.5 Newton meters. The motorcycle's styling is bold, featuring a stacked LED headlight design, prominent fuel tank extensions, and an underbelly exhaust. A suite of tech, including full LED lighting, a color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, traction control, and multiple engine maps, gives the Tuono 457 a modern edge. Its suspension uses front upside-down forks with preload adjustability and a monoshock, along with single-disc brakes and dual-channel anti-lock braking system for stopping power. Another standout, the Aprilia RSV 4 Factory for 2025 took center stage with a formidable V4 engine that now delivers an impressive 220 horsepower. This model sports MotoGP-inspired winglets for enhanced aerodynamics and cornering grip. Aprilia's latest generation of active control systems enables adaptive and predictive adjustments, allowing the motorcycle to adapt seamlessly to various riding conditions. For adventure enthusiasts, the Aprilia Tuareg Rally captured attention with its off-road focused upgrades. With high front mudguards, aluminum sump guards, and reinforced handguards, the Tuareg Rally is equipped for rough terrain. The model offers a higher seat and handlebar position, tailored for riders who prefer standing while navigating rugged paths. With lightweight spoked wheels, long travel suspension, and a titanium exhaust, this bike weighs only 199 kilograms in running condition. Aprilia's 2024 lineup at EICMA brings a fresh wave of performance and adventure, designed for riders seeking a blend of power, precision, and rugged style.